In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix this site can't provide a secure connection. Chrome error. If you're seeing this message in Google Chrome, it usually means the browser is having trouble verifying the website's security settings. The good news is that there's a simple adjustment you can try directly inside Chrome, and I'll walk you through it slowly so it's easy to follow. Start by opening Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, look at the top right corner of the browser window and click the three-dot menu. This opens the main Chrome menu, where you'll find access to the browser's settings and security options. From that menu, click Settings. This will take you to Chrome's main settings page. On the left-hand side, look for Privacy and Security and click on it. This section controls how Chrome handles safe browsing, protection features, and other security-related tools. Next, click Security. You'll now see Chrome's safe browsing settings. These settings are designed to help protect you from dangerous websites, downloads, and extensions. To continue with this fix, scroll down until you find the option called No Protection. Click No Protection. After selecting it, Chrome will usually show a warning because this setting turns off safe browsing protection. If you see the confirmation prompt, click Turn Off to confirm. This step is important because it changes how Chrome checks website security, and in some cases, it can help get past this secure connection error. After that, click the option related to using a custom provider. Once you're there, select Open DNS. This changes the DNS provider Chrome uses for secure lookups, which can sometimes resolve connection and certificate-related issues more reliably than the default setting. After making these changes, try reopening the website that was showing the error. If needed, you can also refresh the page, or close and reopen Chrome to make sure the new settings are fully applied. One important tip before you go: turning off protection can reduce your browser's security, so this should mainly be used as a troubleshooting step. If the website starts working, that helps confirm the issue may be related to Chrome's protection or DNS handling. Once you're done testing, it's a good idea to review your security settings again. That's it. By opening Chrome, going into the three-dot menu, choosing Settings, then Privacy and Security, then Security, scrolling down, selecting No Protection, confirming with Turn Off, and choosing the custom option with Open DNS, you can try to fix the "This site can't provide a secure connection" error in Chrome.